So guys, in the new Tesla Model Y, Tesla relocated the rear seat belt attachment to the C pillar, ensuring it to no longer obstruct seat folding. Another design indication that the new Tesla Model Y intended to be used as a robotaxi. Rear seat belt was moved from D to C pillar at what looks to be a compromised quarter glass for blind spot visibility. Motorized rear seat means that robotaxi ride hailer can choose the seat configuration if they want rear seat folded for more luggage space. Before the car arrives, seat belt won't get in the way.